Good morning, students. Standard 7th, Chapter 2. Chapter 2, Measurements. Chapter 2, Measurements. What is measurements? Measurement means nothing but measuring the length, breadth, perimeter, distance. Mainly it's a distance between two vertex or some object, distance between some object. Okay, distance means measurement meter, kilometer or centimeter and millimeter also, etc. The weight is gram, kilogram, and the time is seconds. The time is seconds or hour. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around, and area is the region occupied by the closed shape. Perimeter is the nothing but distance. Area is nothing but occupied area, occupied shape. Area is occupied shape. Then now we have to introduce parallelogram. Which shape is parallelogram? Parallelogram is nothing but opposite sides are equal. Parallelogram is opposite sides are equal and parallel. The shape is opposite sides are equal. This side and this side are equal. This side and this side are equal. Then the adjacent sides do not make right angles. It's very important. It is not a right angle. What is right angle? Right angle means 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. This is right angle. This is right angle, my dears. And instead they make acute and obtuse angles. Acute means below 90 degree. Obtuse means above 90 degree. Acute means this shape. Obtuse means this shape. This is obtuse, this is acute. This is acute. Okay. Shape has special name called parallelogram. Parallelogram properties, which are there? Opposite sides are equal and its sides are parallel. The adjacent sides do not make right angles and it make only acute and obtuse. Acute and obtuse. Okay. Now here this is parallelogram. This is parallelogram. Parallelogram is nothing but it's a type of rectangle. It's a type of rectangle. Rectangle means it's make 90 degree. It's make 90 degree. But it doesn't make 90 degree. This is doesn't make 90 degree. It's a difference between rectangle and parallelogram. Rectangle and parallelogram ideas. Then this is height. This is height. This is base. This is base and this is height. Area of the parallelogram formula is nothing but V into H. V into H. But area of the rectangle is L into V. That means length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. But here breadth into height. Breadth into height. Its unit is square units. Its unit is square units. The perimeter of the parallelogram. The perimeter of the parallelogram is nothing but sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are adding all the sides. We are adding all the sides. This is called perimeter. This is called perimeter. Then now we are going to exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Find the area of the following parallelograms. This is one of the parallelogram. This is also the parallelogram. Here parallelogram A, B, C, D. Base is 11 centimeter. Base is 11 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. This is only height. This is height. Height is 3 centimeter. Then AD is a adjacent side. No, AD is a adjacent side. So AD is 4 centimeter. AD is 4 centimeter. Now we have to find the area and the perimeter. Area and the perimeter. This is our diagram. This is our diagram. Here base is B is 11, H is 3. B is 11 and H is 3. Area of the parallelogram formula is B into H. What is B? B is breadth. H is height. H is height. Okay. Properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Then perimeter of the parallelogram, sum of all sides. All side means 4 sides. Then here base is 11. No. Then height is 3. Then height is 3. So the area is B into height. So the area is B into height. This is nothing but 11 into 3. 11 into 3. Here we are multiplying 11 into 3. 3 into 1, 3. Then 3 into 1, 3. So the answer is 33 centimeter square. 33 centimeter square. Area is 33 centimeter square. Now we have to see. Now we have to see the perimeter. Now we have to see the perimeter. Sum of 4 sides. Sum of 4 sides. So here 11, here 4. Here opposite sides are equal, no? So here 11 means here also 11. There 4 means there also 4. So 11, 4, 11, this 11, 4 means 4. So 11 plus 4, 15. Here also 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. 15 plus 15 is equal to 30 centimeter. Area means centimeter square. Area means centimeter square. Perimeter means nothing but it's a length. So we have to put a unit is centimeter. We have to put a unit is centimeter. It's a second subdivision. PQRS. PQRS. Here the parallelogram is rotated. So now we have to rotate this parallelogram. So I am rotating PQRS. So now the base is 7 centimeter. Now the base is 7 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. Base is, this is height. So PQ is adjacent side. PQ is adjacent side. The area of the parallelogram, this is means parallel. So parallelogram is equal to B into height. Is equal to B into height. Then perimeter of the parallelogram is sum of 4 sides. Sum of 4 sides. The base QR is equal to 7 centimeter. I told no. Then height is 10 centimeter. QR is 1 centimeter. Height is 10 centimeter. The area B into height. B into height. Breadth into height. So 7 into 10 is equal to 70 centimeter square. 70 centimeter square. The perimeter is sum of 4 sides. PQ plus QR plus RS plus PS. So the side base is 13 plus 7 plus 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7, 20. Here also 20. So 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal, no? So here 13, here also 13, here 7, here also 7. So 40 centimeter. The area is 70 centimeter square. That's it. Question number 2. Find the missing value. Find the missing value. Here breadth 18 centimeter, height 5 centimeter. What is area? What is area? Here breadth 18, height 5. So we have to find out area. Second one, breadth is 8 meter, area is 56 square meter. What is height? What is height? Here 17 millimeter, height is 17 millimeter, area is 221 square meter. And what is breadth? And what is breadth? Solution. Area of the parallelogram is B into H. Area of the parallelogram is B into H. First sum, breadth is 18 centimeter. Breadth is 18 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Now we have to find out area. Now we have to find out area. So the formula is B into height. So the formula is B into height. B equal to 18. B equal to 18. H is equal to 5. So B into height is equal to 90 centimeter square. It's nothing but 18 into 5. 5 8s are 40. So 0. Remaining 4. Then 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So 90. 90 centimeter square. 90 centimeter square. The second sum, breadth is 8 meter and the area is 56 meter square. The area is 56 meter square. Find the area. Area formula is B into height. B into height. Area is 56 meter square by the sum. Sum 56 meter square. B is equal to 8. Height is unknown. Height is unknown. Then 56 by 8. 56 by 8. So we have to cut 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. H is equal to 7 meter. H is equal to 7 meter. Then third sum. Here H is equal to 17 millimeter. 17 millimeter and the area is 221 square millimeter. So the formula area is B into height. The formula area is B into H. So the area is 221. B is equal to unknown. So we have to find out B. H is equal to 17. H is equal to 17. 221 by 17 is equal to B. 221 by 17 is equal to B. Here division. 221 by 17. First two numbers 22. How many 17s are there? Only one. So we have to put here 1. Then 1 into 17. So I have to put 17 here. 22 minus 17 is equal to 5. 22 minus 17 is equal to 5. Then I have to put 5. This one is coming here. This one is coming here. This one is coming here. So 51. How many 17s are 51? 3 17s are 51. 3 into 7, 21. Then 2 is remaining. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 51. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 13. So the answer is 13. So B is 13. B is 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter. Then that's it. Question number 3. Suresh won a parallelogram shaped trophy in a state level chess tournament. Suresh won a parallelogram shaped trophy in a state level chess tournament. He knows that area of the trophy is 735 square centimeter. 735 square centimeter, and its base is 21 centimeter. What is the height of that trophy? What is the height of that trophy? This is height. This is breadth. So Suresh won the trophy. Its shape is parallelogram. Then base is 21 centimeter. What is height? Here given the trophy shape is parallelogram. Area is 735 centimeter square. Base is 21 centimeter. So area of the parallelogram is B into height. So now we have to find out the H. By the sum, area is 735. Breadth is 21. So height is unknown. So we have to put height H. So 735 by here multiplication no. So this 21 coming to left hand side means 735 by 21. Here multiplication means it's going to division. So 735 by 21 is equal to 35 centimeter. It's nothing but 735 here. 21 is divisor. So 73. First two numbers is 73. So 21, how many times in 73? We are multiplying 3 times. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. So 63. 3 times in 73. So 3 into 21 is equal to 73. I have to put here 63. 3 into 21 is 63. So 73 minus 63 is equal to 10. Now we are down the 5. 105. 21 is how many times in 105? We are multiplying 21 into 5. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So how many times? 5 times. So I have to put here 5. So 21 into 5 is equal to 105. Here I put it 5 minus 5, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 35. H is 35 centimeter. The traffic height is 35 centimeter. The traffic height is 35 centimeter. That's it. Janaki has a piece of fabric in the shape of a parallelogram. Janaki has a piece of fabric in the shape of a parallelogram. Its height 12 meter. Its height 12 meter and its base 18 meter. And its base 18 meter. She cuts the fabric into 4 equal parallelograms by cutting the parallel sides through its midpoints. Then find the area of each new parallelogram. I repeat it. Janaki has a piece of fabric in the shape of parallelogram. Its height 12 meter, its base 18 meter, and she cuts for equal parts. It's very important, for equal parts. That shape is parallelogram. It's cutting the side is parallel side only. It's cutting the side is parallel sides only. The point is midpoint. So we have to find out area of the parallelogram. Height is 12 meter. Base is 18 meter. 4 equal parts. That shape is parallelogram. Cut by parallel side. Point is midpoints. Find the area. See the figure. This is base. Base is 18. And this is height. Height is 12 meter. We have to cut equal parts. She cuts the 4 equal parts by parallel side. This is parallel sides, and this is also parallel side. So she cut midpoint. This is midpoint. This is also midpoint, and here this is a midpoint. So we have to cut the midpoint. I draw the line roughly. Midpoint, and here also he cut. Here total is 18. So the midpoint is 9. So these two distance are 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 centimeter. 18 meter. Here also we are cutting equal parts. So here 6, here also 6. Area of a new parallelogram. The parallelogram formula is B into height. That is breadth into height. B is nothing but 9. Then H is nothing but 6. So 9 into 6 is equal to 54 meter square. Area of each new parallelogram is 54 meter square. Question number 5. A ground in the shape of parallelogram. What shape? Parallelogram shape. The height of the parallelogram is 14. H is equal to 14 meters and the corresponding base is 8 meters. Longer than its height. It's very important. Longer than its height. So base is longer than height. So 8 meters longer than height. Then find the cost of leveling ground at the rate 15 per square meter. 15 per square meter. The leveling square meter, 1 square meter we may give 15 rupees. We have to give 15 rupees. So 1 square meter 15 rupees. Height is 14, breadth is 8 meter longer than height. Leveling cost 15 per square meter. Solution. Given the ground shape is parallelogram, height is 14, B is 8 meter longer than height. So 8 meter longer than height. So it is B is equal to 8 plus longer than its height. Height is here. So the height is 14. The height is 14. So 8 plus 14 is equal to 22 meter. This is B. This is breadth. So area of the leveling cost is 15 per square meter. 15 per square meter. The formula is area of the parallelogram is B into height. No, B into height. So B is equal to nothing but we have to find out the value is 22 and H is 14. H is 14. So 22 into 14. 22 into 14 is nothing but 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 8. And 2 into 1 is equal to 2. This is also same number. 2 into 14 is equal to 28. So 8 as it is. 2 plus 8 is equal to 0. Balance 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 308 meter square. 308 meter square. Then we are leveling the ground. Per meter square is 15 rupees. So 1 meter square is 15 rupees. Here 308 meter square. Here 308 meter square ground. So 15 into 308, it's nothing but 308 into 15. 5 into 8, 40. Then 5 into 0 is 0. So here balance 4 is there. Then 5 into 3 is equal to 15 as it is. Then 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 3, 3. So we are adding these terms. 0 as it is. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So 12 balance 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Here 6. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So the amount is, the cost of leveling amount is, wait, the cost of leveling amount is 4,620. The leveling cost is 4,620 rupees. That's it.